Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. So, your wish is my command. You asked for a tutorial on how to do the robot from the game Fortnite. Here it is. Thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you Flex for being the first one to request. Okay, so let's start. You're just gonna stand like this to begin with. The feet are approximately shoulder width. Your right arm is here at your side, and then your left arm is gonna come up from here to here. Yeah? Here to here. And then now you're gonna swing it up. Whoop. So from the elbow and down, you're gonna swing that part up. Whoop. And from here you wanna turn to your left, from the front to the corner. Yeah? So let's just do that. So wa, ta, turn, stop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, turn, stop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, turn, stop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, turn, stop. Okay, so we just did ha, ta, turn, stop. Still facing the left corner here. Now I'm gonna lean a bit forward. So just my upper body, whoop, ta. Then my right arm goes up like that. So from the elbow and down, I'm going swing from here, up. So I was here, I'm doing swing, stop, swing, stop. So let's just do that part. We are here, so we're gonna go start, stop, start, stop, start, stop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Start, stop, start, stop, start, stop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Start, stop, start, stop, start, stop. From here, my arm goes whoop. Yeah? So before, I was moving everything below my elbow. Whoop, whoop. Now I'm moving my elbow as well. Whoop. So went from here to here. Here to here. So let's do it again from here. Lean, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lean, forward, swing, arm, elbow, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lean, forward, swing, arm, elbow, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lean, forward, arm, up, elbow, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lean, forward, arm, up, elbow, up. Okay, so let's take it from the tip to the top. The counts are 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So let's try that a bit slower. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Again. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay, so you were here. Now you want to lean a bit more forward. Whoop. Before you release your arms out like that. In, out, in. And the secret here is to lock from your elbow and up, and then just swing from elbow and down. Yeah? So the first swing, you use the force to create the swing, but then you need to relax. So your arms are gonna swing right away as soon as you're stopping with the upper body. So stop and swing. So stop, swing, 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 swing. So you go 4 and 5 and 6 and. Okay, so 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. From here we want to look on 7 to our left. Now we want to bring our body here. So the arms are going from here to here. here to here. And my legs are from here to bend. Here to bend. So from here to here. Here to here. So we're looking on 7. Now we want to turn our body on and 8. From here I'm lifting my right leg on and 1. Yeah. Now I'm taking a tiny step with my left to the front. Whoop. And then I'm saying right arm, left arm. Just tiny movements. Yeah. So I did ta, 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 ta. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 ta. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 ta. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 ta. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 ta. So we're doing ta, 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 ta. And we want to lean to the front. Yeah? Just a small lean ta. So let's try. Ta, 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 ta. Lean, stop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Ta, 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 ta. Lean, stop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Ta, left, ta, ta, front, stop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 stop. Okay, so let's do the new part. We're gonna go 3 and 4 E and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 E and 2 and. So we're starting on 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 E and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 E and 2 and. Again, 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 E and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 E and 2 and. Okay, let's try from the sit to the top. So quick recap. So going 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 E and 2 and. Slower. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 E and 2 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 E and 2 and. Last time. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 E and 2 and. So we just da 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 da. From here, we're gonna turn back to the center. Yes, I'm just gonna turn here on my feet. Whoop. And my arms are gonna come from here to here. Yeah, so they're still bent. From here, I wanna go up. Yeah, from here to here. Now I wanna turn whoop to my right side. Yeah, so it's here, and I'm turning here. So whoop. I'm going to the center, arms up, turning to the side. Let's just do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, ta. Okay, so for the next part, which is probably the most difficult part, your right leg is saying up, down. Now that's the easy part. Now we want to do a circle here. Yeah. So I'm starting from right, up, left, down. Yeah, circle. And my left is starting doing the same thing, just a smaller circle. So I'm doing wah, 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 wah. Yeah. So I'm doing wah, 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 wah. Now, I understand that most of you are beginners, so I would say if you want to do an easy version, it's just lift up here and then heel, ta, ta. So ta, 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 ta. Let's do that slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, down, heel, ta, ta. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, down, heel, ta, ta. Now you can even do a more simple version than that, and that is just to say ta, ta, da, da, da. Yeah, so lift, up, side. Yeah, so you're just doing on your right, lift up twice, and then your left is saying out, up, down, out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, down, out. Okay, so you just did wa, ta, da, da, da. From here, pretty simple. You just take your left leg in here to the center, and then right leg out. So just switching. You did this side, now you want to do this side. Yeah? So it's here, left, right. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right. So the next one saying ta, da, 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 da. Now I'm gonna lift up my right leg like that. So I just did wa, ta, da, da, da. Switch, right leg up, and then down. Okay, so next, whoop, wa, da, 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 da. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Da, 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 da. Up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, ba, da, 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 da. Up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, ba, da, 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 da. Up, down. Now the arms are saying turn to the side here. For the first one, I don't know why, but they take their right arm down like this. Yeah. So it was here. I'm doing here. Yeah. So whoop. Now I just want to keep it when I do this, and then I'm gonna switch to the front. Yeah. Then I'm gonna say ha. Yeah. So my arms are up here. I'm gonna take them down. Whoop. And then repeat. Whoop, whoop, and so on. Okay, so let's try that again. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, da, 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 da. Up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wa, ta, da, 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 ba, da. Up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wa, ba, da, wa, ba, da. Up, down. Okay, so let's go a bit back. Whoop, 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 ba, da, 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 da. From here, center, arms up, to the side. Now we want to do this one. Whoop, 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 up, down. So let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, up, to the side. Wa, wa, da, 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 da. Up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, up, turn. Wa, ba, da, 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 da. Up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wa, ta, turn, side. Boom, ba, da, 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 da. Up, down. Alright, let's take it from the tip top. So quick recap, we're going 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 E and 6 and 7 and loop, repeat. Slower. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 E and 6 and 7 and repeat. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 E and 6 and 7 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 E and 6 and 7 and. Alright, last time. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 5 E and 6 and 7 and. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the robot from the game Fortnite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.